Broccoli. Broccoli is a highly nutritious cruciferous vegetable packed with a wide range of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and potent bioactive compounds. Here's a breakdown of its many benefits. 1. Rich in nutrients. 2. Powerful antioxidant properties. 3. May reduce cancer risk. 4. Supports heart health. 5. Boosts immune system. 6. Promotes bone and joint health. 7. Aids in digestion and weight management. 8. Helps control blood sugar. 9. Supports eye health. 10. Aids in detoxification. And 11. Benefits brain function.
Rich in nutrients. Vitamins. Excellent source of vitamin C, boosting immunity, promoting collagen production, wound healing, and iron absorption. Vitamin K for bone health and blood clotting. Vitamin A for vision and immune function. And several B vitamins, like folate, for cell function and growth. Minerals. Good source of calcium for strong bones, potassium for blood pressure and heart health, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, and selenium.
2. Powerful antioxidant properties. Broccoli is loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, and various flavonoids. It contains unique compounds such as sulforaphane and endo-3-carbinol, which have strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer effects. These help protect cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. 3. May reduce cancer risk. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli are well known for their potential anti-cancer properties. Sulforaphane and other compounds in broccoli may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells, detoxify carcinogens, and support the body's natural processes for destroying damaged cells. 4. Supports heart health. Broccoli contains fiber, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which contribute to cardiovascular health. Fiber helps reduce cholesterol levels, potassium regulates blood pressure, and antioxidants reduce inflammation, all of which can lower the risk of heart disease and atherosclerosis, plaque buildup in arteries. 5. Boosts immune system. The high vitamin C content in broccoli stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections and illnesses. Its antioxidants also strengthen overall immunity.
6. Promotes bone and joint health. Broccoli is a good source of calcium, vitamin K, and magnesium, which are all vital for maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Sulforaphane may also help keep cartilage between joints healthy, potentially preventing or slowing osteoarthritis. 7. Aids in digestion and weight management. Its high fiber content promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and helps you feel full for longer, which can aid in weight loss by reducing overeating.
8. Helps control blood sugar. Broccoli contains glucoraphanin, which is converted to sulforaphane, a compound that may help lower blood sugar levels and manage type 2 diabetes.
9. Supports eye health. Broccoli contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoid compounds that can help reduce the incidence of macular degeneration and cataracts.
10. Aids in detoxification. The glucosinolates in broccoli support the body's detoxification processes by activating detoxifying enzymes in the liver, helping to eliminate toxins.
11. Benefits brain function. Vitamin K in broccoli supports brain health and may improve cognitive function. Compounds like glucosinolates may also slow cognitive decline as you age.
Tips for consumption. Broccoli can be eaten raw or cooked. Steaming is often recommended as it helps retain more nutrients compared to boiling, which can reduce levels of certain vitamins like vitamin C. The leaves and stems are also edible and contain valuable nutrients. The stalk has the most fiber, while the leaves are high in antioxidants, vitamins E and K, and calcium.
There's no single best time to eat broccoli that applies to everyone, as its benefits are largely derived from consistent intake. However, considering its nutritional profile and potential side effects,
Here are some points to consider. 1. Any time is a good time. 2. With healthy fats. 3. With vitamin C-rich foods. 4. Consider your digestive system. 5. For weight management. 6. For blood sugar control. 7. For nutrient absorption.
any time is a good time. The most important thing is to eat broccoli regularly. Its vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants will benefit you whenever you consume them. Aim to incorporate it into your diet several times a week.
With healthy fats, broccoli contains fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin K and vitamin A. Pairing it with a source of healthy fat like olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds can enhance the absorption of these vitamins. With vitamin C-rich foods if eating cooked broccoli. While broccoli itself is high in vitamin C, some can be lost during cooking. Pairing it with other vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or citrus can ensure you're getting enough.
Consider your digestive system. Earlier in the day, breakfast or lunch, some sources suggest consuming high-fiber vegetables like broccoli earlier in the day, breakfast or lunch, because they require more time to digest. This can help prevent gas and bloating from interfering with sleep if you're sensitive to it. Not right before bed if sensitive. If you experience significant gas or bloating from broccoli, eating a large portion close to bedtime might lead to discomfort. However, many people eat it for dinner. Specific considerations. For weight management, eating vegetables like broccoli at the beginning of a meal, especially before carbohydrates, can help you feel fuller, reduce overall calorie intake, and potentially lead to lower and healthier blood sugar responses. This can be beneficial at any meal, including breakfast. For blood sugar control, similar to weight management, starting a meal with vegetables can help manage blood sugar spikes, which is particularly relevant for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. For nutrient absorption, raw versus cooked, raw broccoli retains more of certain heat-sensitive nutrients like vitamin C and the enzyme myrosinase, which helps convert glucoraphanin to sulforaphane. However, cooking can make other nutrients more bioavailable by breaking down cell walls. Steaming is often considered one of the best cooking methods to retain nutrients. Chopping and waiting, some research suggests that chopping broccoli and letting it sit for about 30 to 90 minutes before cooking can maximize sulforaphane formation. In summary, don't overthink the timing too much. Focus on making broccoli a regular part of your diet. If you experience digestive discomfort, try eating it earlier in the day, consuming smaller portions, or cooking it more thoroughly. For maximum nutrient absorption, consider methods like steaming and pairing it with healthy fats.
Side effects.
While broccoli is a powerhouse of nutrients, it can have some side effects, especially for certain individuals or when consumed in large quantities. Here are the main side effects to be aware of. 1. Gas and bloating. 2. Thyroid issues. Goitrogenic effects. 3. Interaction with blood thinners or anticoagulants. 4. Allergic reactions. 5. Bowel irritation with excessive intake. 1. Gas and bloating. High fiber content. Broccoli is rich in dietary fiber, which is beneficial for digestion, but can lead to increased gas and bloating, especially if you're not used to a high-fiber diet. Raffinose. Like other cruciferous vegetables, cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, broccoli contains raffinose, a complex sugar that humans lack the enzyme to fully digest. When it reaches the large intestine, gut bacteria ferment it, producing gases, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and methane, which can cause bloating and flatulence. FODMAPs. Broccoli also contains fermentable oligo, di, mono, and polyols, FODMAPs, which can contribute to digestive distress, particularly in people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS.
2. Thyroid issues. Goitrogenic effects. Broccoli contains goitrogens, naturally occurring compounds that can interfere with the thyroid gland's ability to absorb iodine, which is essential for hormone production. While normal consumption of broccoli is unlikely to cause thyroid problems in healthy individuals, those with pre-existing thyroid conditions, especially iodine deficiency or hypothyroidism, might need to moderate their intake of raw broccoli. Cooking broccoli can help reduce its goitrogenic compounds.
3. Interaction with blood thinners, anticoagulants. Broccoli is high in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting. If you are taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, a sudden significant increase or decrease in vitamin K intake can affect the medication's effectiveness. It's generally recommended to maintain a consistent intake of vitamin K-rich foods rather than avoiding them entirely, and to discuss your diet with your doctor.
4. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to broccoli, which could include symptoms like itching, swelling, or digestive upset.
5. Bowel irritation with excessive intake. While fiber is good, consuming extremely large amounts of fiber, especially if your body isn't accustomed to it, can sometimes lead to bowel irritation, discomfort, or changes in bowel movements. Who should be cautious or moderate their intake? Individuals with irritable bowel syndrome or IBS or sensitive digestive systems. Due to its fiber and FODMAP content, broccoli can trigger gas, bloating, and discomfort. Cooking it thoroughly may make it easier to digest for some. People on blood thinners, for example warfarin. As mentioned, consistent intake of vitamin K is important. Consult your doctor or dietitian. Individuals with unmanaged hypothyroidism or iodine deficiency. While a normal serving is unlikely to cause issues, very large amounts of raw broccoli could potentially exacerbate thyroid problems. Cooking can mitigate this effect. People with kidney problems. Broccoli contains phosphorus. If kidneys are not functioning well, phosphorus can build up in the blood.
Tips to minimize side effects. Start small. If you're new to eating broccoli or other cruciferous vegetables, introduce them gradually into your diet to allow your digestive system to adjust. Cook it. Cooking broccoli, steaming, roasting, stir-frying, can help soften its fibers and reduce some of the compounds that cause gas, making it easier to digest. Chew thoroughly. Chewing your food well aids in the digestive process. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help with fiber digestion. Overall, for most healthy individuals, the benefits of incorporating broccoli into their diet far outweigh the potential side effects. Moderation and awareness of individual sensitivities are key. Thank you for watching.